Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok application is not opening into your device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. There are some couple of things that you should try if your app is not opening into your device. The first thing you should do is to restart your phone and try again after that. And if it doesn't work, then you should try to go into your settings of your device and after that go to app setting. And after going into app, scroll until you find the TikTok application. And into the TikTok, first of all, force stop the application and after that go to storage section. And into storage section, try clearing the cache of the TikTok. And after clearing the cache, TikTok might probably open into your device, but if it still doesn't work, you should uninstall the application and reinstall the application after that, and then your TikTok will start to open again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.